This video is about getting rid of autoincognitosearch.com, a browser hijacker that attacks Google Chrome browsers primarily, even though other browsers may be infected too. So auto incognito search is classified as a browser hijacker because it promotes the autoincognitosearch.com address, which is a fake search engine. It modifies some of the browser settings. In particular, it changes the default search engine. Moreover, it is likely that it gathers information related to the user's web browsing activities as well. Typically, people do not download and install browser hijackers based on their own decision. That's why programs like Auto Incognito Search are called potentially unwanted applications. So when you start submitting some search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by some unfamiliar search engine. This could be Bing, Yahoo, or something really out of the blue, really unexpected search engine like this websearches.club. To deactivate this auto incognito search, you need to go to the menu of your browser, click on More Tools and Extensions. Look for suspicious extensions you see here. You may disable and remove them. After this is successfully accomplished, I also strongly advise scanning your Mac with the reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and start scanning your Mac with this utility. I'll show you how the program looks like. It's initially in the trial mode, however. Nevertheless, there are some free features: disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The antivirus is the feature that's the part of the premium license only. When you click on Start Combo Scan, the application will begin free scanning of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.